I just want to say something here, because we're on Glen Helen, Glen Varn. I always bloody forget. What's that sign saying? Glen Helen. We're on Glen Helen. Now when we came up from Ballacrane, that Audi in front of us tried to wave past. The Becky in front didn't want to go. She's restricted to 50 mile an hour, she's on L plates, so that's fine. I'm sitting behind to try and block her from whatever comes up behind us. Now there's a German bike that's just arrived up, come past us, just filtered through, and that Audi waved and passed. Now fault on them both. One, the biker obviously assumed that the car was saying it's safe to pass. It wasn't. It was too close to a corner. They came round and nearly got hit. If you're going to overtake anything, you make sure that it is safe to pass. And if you're in a car and a bike's coming up behind you, if he wants to go past, he's going to. Keep both hands on the wheel, stop being an idiot, and stay safe on the roads. Here's another note, that van in front, Jesus Christ. He was just riding so far in the gutter, he showered her with a cloud of dust. Again, just drive like you are normally driving. Look, he's sitting in on the edge. It makes you unpredictable. You are not doing what you normally do. If I wanted to pass you now, I'd be gone before you got anywhere near Bagaro. Drive like you normally do. It means any rider coming up behind you can kind of predict what you're doing, because you're using the road like a normal human being. Again, it is courteous, yeah, nice one for wanting to let us past, but Jesus Christ, we'll do it if we want to.